In this episode, we'll go through an overview of connectors and their importance in a Revit project. For system engineers, all MEP components require connectors to function intelligently. Components created without connectors cannot participate in a system topology. Connectors are essentially logical entities that allow Revit to calculate loads and manage system behavior within a project. In short, you can't properly use or connect ME families together without connectors. Go to the Create tab here. You'll see there are 5 types of connectors: electrical connector, duct connector, pipe connector, cable tray connector, and conduit connector. Let's click on duct connector. There are 2 ways to place a connector: face or work plane. If you choose the face option, you can place the connector directly on any flat surface of the component. However, connectors can't be placed on curved surfaces. If you choose the work plane option, a dialog box will appear allowing you to specify which work plane to place the connector on. Select Pick a Plane, click OK, then pick a plane. A connector will appear on that plane. Each connector type has its own adjustable parameters, depending on the system it's used for. Most connectors display a small arrow indicating the direction for connecting pipes, ducts, or conduits. The electrical connector, however, does not show this arrow. For this transformer, we'll place electrical connectors on each LV and HV bushing using the face placement mode. After placing them, select all the connectors. In the electrical section of the Properties panel, set the system type to Power, Balanced. You can add conduit connectors that align with the same positions as the electrical connectors. Once the connectors are placed, let's set the family category. Go to Family Category and Parameters, select Electrical Equipment, and under Part Type, choose Transformer, then click OK. Finally, it's time to clean up the file. Go to the Manage tab, select Manage Images, and delete all reference images used during modeling. Then use Purge Unused to remove unnecessary elements. And save the file as a compact file.
Looking for piping catalogs you can trust? At pipingcontent.com, you'll find ready-to-use libraries for AutoCAD Plant 3D, Revit, Smart 3D, E3D, and more. Get instant access to valves, fittings, and components. Click on the link below in description section and explore pipingcontent.com today.